Do you know what time it is? What time is it?
Disney time.
It's Disney time. Let's get waking up, dude.
Disney time, Disney time, Disney time, Disney time.
Peyton. Peyton. Do you know what time it is? No? You want sleepy time? Do you know what time it is? It's time to get up.
Disney. Disney time.
Mom, this
Guys, where are we going today?
Disney!
Finally, huh?
Finally!
After 2 years of, well, we had to wait because it was closed, but
Because
after 2
it
years.
was Easter and you guys surprised.
Well, yes, we did. So, it is 4:55. Look at that sunrise, guys. That's north. That's where we're going. It's 5:30. We're getting ready to head off to the airport. Can't even see you guys. I need like a spotlight.
Now can you?
Kinda. Kinda. I got it. Whoa, you guys get to know the pilot?
Thank you.
You can get over here.
I'll move
Thank
out
you.
way. Oh gosh, good heavens.
Hello. What's up, guys? You guys, your first time flying, huh? You gonna go see Mickey?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite down there?
Star Wars for you, Cam, huh?
Well, that's my favorite
Yeah.
too. What's that?
Encanto.
Encanto.
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah.
Very cool. All right, so. Oh. All right, this is very sharp. It's got a pin on it. Okay.
All right. No poking your brother with it,
And
right?
no poking your brother. You guys.
What
got
do you
any
say?
questions?
Thank you.
Thank
Wow.
you so much. Hold on,
All
let
right.
Cam get out first because he's blocking.
Thank you very much.
That is so fun.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
That's where you and Ethan and I went to the car show.
Oh yeah.
Right there, the IX Center. Are your ears popping?
No.
Not yet.
They
Hey,
haven't popped.
look, we're going up, see? We're starting to go up. We're lifting. There we go. There we go.
I'm dizzy.
Look.
I was dizzy. Dad, I was dizzy.
I know, I heard. All right, guys, how was your first flight?
Great.
Pretty fun? You like that? All right, now we gotta find out where we gotta go. First time in Florida.
Yeah.
Woo! Nice hat you got there on the Sunshine Flyer. This is our bus to where? Where's the bus take us?
To Disney.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guys, we made it. We made it to our resort. These are cool, right? Look at that. Look at that over there.
What? Yeah.
Wow.
Pictures on the wall.
Let's go check out the main. Let's go check out the main pool. Biggest pool. Holy moly! What do you think of that, Peyton? What do you think? What's up?
I thought we were gonna put this stuff away.
We are.
Before we eat lunch.
No, we're gonna eat lunch.
No.
Yes.
Fine. Whatever.
Put down.
What does scarf mean?
Is it down really fast?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna chow down some snacks. All I see the sign.
What do you think,
Which way it's
bud?
pointing for Little Mermaid.
Pretty cool, huh? Going straight, Cam.
Yeah, that's a real tree. That's actually real.
So we got a long walk down to the Little Mermaid. We get to pass all this cool stuff
Hyenas.
from Lion King. We just watched Lion King not too long ago for movie night, didn't we?
We did.
Not too long ago.
Sorry.
Woo!
Hi.
I just got dripped on. Awesome. Whew. Peyton, there's the bad guy up there. Scarface.
Sorry, but I didn't realize you were still back there.
Okay, we finally have made it to our resort place. We are staying in the Little Mermaid. Under the sea. Under the sea.
Dad, do you have to sing it?
No, sorry. How much gold is in there, Peyton?
A lot of treasure. Titan.
There is the mighty King Triton. And there's our pool. Oh, I see Ariel over there, Peyton. There's the pool. Are you tired? Hot and tired?
A lot of wheeling.
How about you?
Great.
How about you?
Just hot.
Just hot, okay. We see Triton's head. Okay, well, we got a good view from up here. Just got off the elevator. Now we gotta find our room. 9813. 9813. It's going to be to the right.
Awesome.
Did you find it? 9813. Peyton's opening the door.
I opened it.
Whoa! Ooh, it feels good in there.
The chair. Look at the chair.
Whoa!
See, I told you there was girls.
Check out our room real quick. It is small, but we're not gonna be here anyway. Geez, we're gonna be at the pool. Or better yet, be at the parks.
Coffee maker.
Whoa,
The
look
bathroom
at the
is like under the
bathroom.
seat in the curtain.
Yeah, is that Ariel on the curtain? Yeah, it is.
That's the curtain.
That's pretty neat.
What? What? A door that has a mirror. So like,
Wow. Okay, we're gonna get some food. We're hungry.
Dad, yeah.
So I did tell the kids they could jump on the bed because that's what my sister and I did every time we went to a hotel. That's what they're for, right?
Huh?
Woo, it's just like an extra attraction. We have made it to the pool. This is the Little Mermaid pool, so not the big one. This is one of 3.
The dog goes, great.
How is it, Peyton?
Great.
Kim, how is it?
Feels really
Good.
nice.
Good deal.
Dad, can you do a video of me diving?
Yeah, go ahead real quick.
Where's my diving?
Nice dive. Yeah, nice pool. Very nice pool.
Dad goes, grip.
Put my chapstick in the
Peyton, how was the pool? Pretty good? What's your brother still doing? He's just running around being a weirdo. So Walmart just dropped off some food for us, and we're gonna hitch a ride back, right? Well, you monkeys are. I'm not. I'm gonna push you, but it's a long way back to our room, huh?
This is the way to go,
That's all right.
though, and we'll push them back
Yeah,
up before we hit the
Penny.
skyline.
Yes, you are.
Hi, what's up?
Hitch and ride,
Yes.
Easy mode.
Guys.
groceries and kids.
All right, we got our food in our bellies. Now we have to return the cart. And of course, the kids wanted to push this time. Peyton has almost ran over. How many? 2 people so far? 5? No, not 5. Like 2. You're doing good, babe.
Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation
So we took a hop on the Skyliner, checking out the Skyliner.
It's nice on here.
Yeah, it is. This is cool.
Disney's Hollywood Studios
Let's go to Hollywood
and
Studios
Epcot
and
International
Epcot.
Gateway.
So we wanted to just take it and see what it was. There's something over there, a hotel or something. I don't know what that is.
We are now gliding over Hourglass.
All right, so we're taking the other Skyliner now to
Hold
Epcot.
on to your straw
Over
hat.
there.
We are about to enter the heart
Peyton,
of
this
the
is still your worst
Caribbean.
nightmare?
No.
No, you're not afraid anymore?
Only the hill that you got
Just the
up.
hill?
Oh no, this is my worst worst nightmare
Look at that
now.
big pool over there. Whoa, look at that. That's neat.
This is my show. This is still my.
All right, so it's about 6:45. Swam for a while, and it's dinner time. Got some pizza here. Compliments of a gift card from Uncle Joe and Aunt Melissa. So, if you guys ever watch this, thank you guys for feeding us tonight. Peyton, come here and show me your eyes. I want to see your face, how red it is. So let's see if I can zoom in. Peyton's face is like super red, and it's not from sunburn, it's like from swimming. You look exhausted. You're not used to getting up at 4:30, are you? How are you doing, bud?
Good.
Good. Well, pizza was good. Thanks, Uncle Joe and Melissa. This is the last video for tonight. We're gonna hang out, go to bed. Bye-bye.
Bye.